In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between complete and incomplete metamorphosis in insects. Incomplete metamorphosis consists of 3 stages: the egg, the nymph, and the adult. An example of incomplete metamorphosis is seen in shieldbugs. The adult shieldbug lays eggs. From these eggs, a tiny nymph hatches. The nymph resembles the adult form. The nymph undergoes many molts, getting larger until the final molt, where it reaches the final adult form. Complete metamorphosis, on the other hand, consists of 4 stages: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult stage. An example of complete metamorphosis is seen in monarch butterflies. The first stage is the egg stage. These hatch into larvae. In butterflies, the larvae are called caterpillars. This larva stage has no resemblance to the adult form, nor does the third stage, where the caterpillar forms a pupa, called a chrysalis in butterflies. From this pupa stage emerges the final adult butterfly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos.